So this is finance module. To activate this add-on, we need to go to F1, then tally add-ons. Here press F6 and activate this option. Yes. From gateway of tally, I am creating a ledger. Here I am setting this set loan details to yes. This is asking details of loan. The date which this loan is given, say I set it to 1st June 2025, then loan amount. This is 5 lakh loan. Then interest rate, and interest rate is yearly. Then mode of interest is flat and number of EMIs month. So Tally will automatically calculate this EMI amount, and all the EMI 36 EMI is here on your screen. Now it is asking cash or bank ledger. For demo purpose, I only choosing a cash ledger. Then voucher type is payment, and I am saving this ledger. Sorry, you can see Tally showing message loan disbursement entry posted successfully. So I am saving this. Now I am checking this ledger. Here is the payment voucher which created for 1st June 25, 5 lakh amount. Now I am going to create interest entry. For that, I have to set the first installment date. So I set the date to 1st July, then interest entry posting, selected the interest ledger. Here is the two vouchers for different persons. So I selected interest entry and it posts the interest entry. Now again I am going to check that ledger. You can see this is the interest entry. This is the payment and this is the interest entry. So I am going to do the receive entry now. So date will be 1st July, party name, then EMI number. It is showing EMI number from interest entry. Then automatically it is taking the EMI amount, bank cash ledger. In case of bank, you can put check or DD number here, and voucher type is receipt. So it created the receive entry. Again I am opening. You can see this is the receive entry. Okay. Now we can check the reports. EMI payment schedule report. This is the schedule for EMI payment. Then EMI outstanding report. This is the outstanding report. First one, it is not showing. For next month, for August month, it is showing the EMI due date. This is the outstanding statement of that ledger. Thanks for watching. For more detail or live demo, you can call us at below number 98303 14900 or 983088266. Thanks once again.